Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to delete your conversation on your Signal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the screen you can see your conversations, chats, calls, stories, and on the top you can see new message, camera, and your user icon. Users have to find the conversation that you want to delete. You can find it from search bar or you can find it from the screen. Now all you have to do is swipe left there on the chat. There you can see mute, delete and archive options. Just tap on delete, then select delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete conversation on Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.